Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to find and install a game called Keep Talking and Nobody Explodes. So first thing first, open App Store, click on the blue icon right here in your home screen. Then make sure that you log in on your Apple ID account. Then click on the search button right here. And in the search bar, type in Keep Talking and Nobody Explodes. And go search right here. Then scroll down a little bit until you find the game, so click on that. Now it's cost $9.99, so just click on the blue button. Then to confirm purchase and installation, use Face ID or Touch ID or password from your Apple ID account. And now it's all done. The game is 224.5 megabytes. Also, all links will be in the description of this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.